As we arrived in Snowdonia, the rain had set in. It had been a long and hot summer without rainfall, and as the first signs of autumn began to emerge, we headed for the mountains. The glowing sun that had illuminated the clouds had dispersed over the peaks of the mountain range. The days are growing shorter now, and the cold creeps in as summer departs and the darker months arrive. We emerged from our rain-soaked tents the following morning, pleasantly greeted by sunshine. A rarity in a region which experiences 3,000 to 5,000 millimeters of rain per year. We followed a long trail that carved through lush green forest, nestled between the peaks and valleys of the national park. The scenery was breathtaking, untouched, and calming. But in the same breath, it was also dramatic, expansive, and rugged. We were walking for hours and felt exhausted from poor sleep caused by the downpour during the night, and the inclines along the trail were punishing. But with every steep incline came a view that rewarded the effort. The following day, we set out on an unforgettable adventure across the entire region. We ventured along the old mountain pass road that meandered through the rugged mountain range home to Snowdon, the highest peak in Wales. There was a sense of aloneness and stillness here that can't quite be caught on camera. On the final day, we rested and enjoyed the tranquility of the camping spot we had chosen. But our trip had not yet ended, as we were to relive the adventure one final time. When the film had finally been developed.